Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Grow and Stay Pro. So here I am with another video. So if you're preparing for the Azure DevOps interview with 3 to 7 years of experience, then you have just landed on the right video guys. In this video, I will walk you through the most commonly asked Azure DevOps interview questions based on some real interviews from product-based companies or startup hiring in 2024 and 2025 and any other year. Whether it's about the CI/CD pipeline, Terraform, Azure repos, RBAC, or any real-time DevOps scenario, I have covered it all along with the expert tips on how to answer them confidently. Stick with me till the end because I will also share some bonus tips that could be a game changer in the interview room. So, guys, let's get started and get you hired at soon. So guys, if you see in this particular video, there are 60 to 61 questions which I've added and all of them are for Azure DevOps interview. So first section if you see, so all are AKS related questions, then some CI/CD questions if you see, then if you scroll a little bit below or if you see some other questions, basically they are for Terraform as well. Then there are questions from Docker, then there are questions from Kubernetes, and basically these all questions are not for the fresher. Of course, there are some questions that you can go through it, but if you want to crack any mid-level interview or the advanced level interview, then all these interviews questions for you guys. So anytime if you have any doubt, please let me know in comments, or you can take screenshot of all the questions, or you can just let me know like if you need any PDF or anything, you just let me know in comments. I'll basically share that PDF with you guys. So yeah, as I've mentioned, all the questions are related to all the technologies that I've mentioned. Firstly, AKS, then if you see some high availability questions, that is for pure Azure cloud. And this is for AWS as well, guys. These are some generic questions. If you see some questions are for Terraform, some Azure questions, and then these are some generic and scenario-based questions for your Docker file, how you deploy your application at AKS, and how you create the Docker file. So all the questions are basically for that. So this first section, it is, as I mentioned, for AKS. Second section, it is for Docker, like how you create the file, how you find the vulnerabilities and everything. Then the next section, it is specifically for the infrastructure, like whenever you create the infrastructure from Terraform for cloud, that is for that. Then there are some questions from Jenkins, some questions are from Git, some questions again for whenever you like deploy the application. From that also, all these questions are there, guys. So in this video, I've literally covered everything that any interview can possibly ask the questions and all. Basically, anything this start, you can basically answer it in a such a way that I mean, of course, you can create your own answers. I can also share, but it's better, guys, that you find your own answers and prepare your answers because I can tell you the questions and answer as well, but that doesn't really help because when you prepare on your own, you get a deep understanding. I can tell you, you just by heart that one line that doesn't help you. So you just prepare your answers if any particular at any particular questions if you have doubt just put it in comments. I'll be happy to help you guys, but this is what all the scenario based questions will look like, and this is gonna really help you to crack all your interviews. So these are 60 to 61 questions as I mentioned, which gonna conclude everything that you will need from the employee's perspective. These are questions that I have been experienced, like I experienced in all my interviews. And if I want to take the interviews also, I'll, refer this question. So, yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please share, like, subscribe.